Hello everyone, I am Dhananjay Pawar from TNTB School of Nursing. I am studying third year GNM Nursing. I am taking to few minutes talking to about HIV prevention. Today we have more ways than ever of effectively prevention HIV infection. Both HIV positive or HIV negative people can play a role in stopping the spread of HIV virus and staying spread. Before talking about how to prevention, it review the three main ways that HIV spread from person to person. First, through unprotected sex. Then, in other words, sex where no effectively strategy like condoms, PrEPs, and HIV transmission is used. Second, through sharing equipments to use drugs. And finally, and infant during pregnancy, childbirth. Through breastfeeding, effective tools and strategies that can prevent HIV transmission through all of this route now exist with increased awareness and proper use of these approaches can maximize the impact on the HIV epidemic. In the past few years, our understanding of the effectively tools and strategies to prevent HIV has uh, expanded significantly. We have now have three highly effective strategies that, when used consistently and correctly, make the risk of sexual transmission of the HIV very low and or negligible. These strategies are this used to PrEP by HIV people, then used antiretroviral treatment by people living with HIV to maintain an undetectable viral load, and the use of condoms. Let's look at each of these strategies separately. Now I am talking about PrEP. PrEP, which stands for pre-exposure prophylaxis in approved in Canada from people who we have put them at high risk for acquiring HIV negative. It involves taking one which contain a combination of the two drugs once a day, along with regular medication appointments for monitoring and support. The drugs in these pills are also used to treat HIV, but in PrEP they are used to prevent HIV. HIV medication can also be used by HIV negative people. Now I am talking about antiretrovirus. We know then when people with HIV taking the treatment, this prescribed and consistently maintain an undetectable viral load. When the amount of HIV measured in their blood in below the limit of detection of current tests. Now I am talking about condom, female condom and male condom. Condoms are highly effectively and preventing the sexual transmission of HIV. There are two types, male condom and female condom. And now I am talking about perinatal transmission. Uh, Born to mother with HIV testing positive. Then HIV medication for the mother during pregnancy and labor. Short course of HIV medication for the baby after birth. Then vaginal delivery for most pregnancies unless C-section for recommended, and feeding the baby formula and not breastfeeding. Now I am talking about HIV and STI testing. People who know their status positive or negative can make an informed decision about the kind sex that want, and people who are diagnosed with HIV can get proper care and live a long healthy lives. Then it's also important to get regular testing and if required treatment for other sexual transmission infection such as chlamydia, gonorrhea and syphilis. So it's that there are now many different ways to prevent HIV. Thank you for giving your time.